Welcome to the Condado neighborhood of San Juan. We're here on King's Court today. Right now I'm facing north on King's Court, looking over at the about a block and a half away from the beach. I can see some kite surfers. I see their sails up in the air. One of the best beaches in San Juan, a block and a half from here. Also very close to the Parque de Indios for anyone that knows the region. If I look to the south, I'm half a block over to Calle Luisa, which has become the culinary center of all the new hip restaurants in Puerto Rico. Japanese, Chinese, Italian, Mexican, Puerto Rican, all different types of food can be found there. And today we're here at 76 King's Court. It's a 10-story apartment building, condo building. And there we go. King's Court, actually, I would consider King's Court kind of be the bullseye of where all the Puerto Ricans want to live in San Juan. This is typically, you can see these other buildings around here. These are all mostly professionals that are living here, upper class Puerto Ricans. This the address, having King's Court as your address, is highly desirable if you're living in San Juan. And today we have a unit for sale. The units come available. So here, a little telephone entry if you want to call up to folks to get let in the front door. You do need a key to get in this front door. Right here in the first lobby, there's the mailboxes. There's a breeze coming through here because things are open, and this is the parking. You need a clicker to get in here to get the parking. This unit that's for sale actually comes with that spot right there. So your parking, which is actually covered, and right here by the front door. Another door to get into the sitting lobby. Another key that has a lock on it, so that's two locks to get into this building right here. And then from here in the lobby, we go right to the elevators. There's two elevators, one for folks with kids and strollers and whatnot, another for cargo. So we're going up to the 8th floor. This is unit 801 at 76 King's Court for sale, and I'll see you up there. And here we are upstairs on the 8th floor, unit 801 at 76 King's Court. There's a front door. You notice here actually all the doors on this floor have rejas. It's the metal ironwork. So you can actually keep the door open and have a cross breeze going through here. The gate also has a lock on it, as well as the front door has a lock. So welcome. We walk right into the living room. Very big living room, probably about 20 by 20 feet. It's got a lamp here because there was a dining table there at one point. I'll give you a little sense of the space here. It's very large. There's the door we just came in. There's a hallway and another bedroom, which we'll see in a few minutes. And then there's big windows here. You can actually see the windows all have curtains. In the bedroom, the curtains, this is the curtain that kind of diffuses some of the light. The bedrooms not only have that one, but they also have blackout curtains. So these are sliding windows here, so if you do want to have a breeze here, you can. And just to get you oriented, that's looking southwest. In the distance, you see the Supermax store, Calle Luisa and Jose de Leon. Over here, there's King's Court, the street we just came in. You can see some of the surrounding buildings. So the floor is, looks like travertine tile. There is some hardwood flooring as well. And from here, we go right into the kitchen, a big long galley kitchen, good size actually. The appliances in here include a refrigerator. There's an electric stove, double sink, semi-fancy faucet. There's also a brand new dishwasher. And there's a washer and a dryer in the unit. And again, the same view we just saw looking out towards Supermax. So looking back, let me show you from this angle. I think that space over here would be ideal for a little bistro table, or could build a built-in breakfast nook. So there's actually a good amount of space here in this kitchen. It's not a tiny little galley kitchen. You could actually have 2 or 3 people probably in here cooking at the same time without being on top of each other. Again, back out to the living room. The ceilings are all concrete, the walls are all concrete, with the exception of this one wall here. If you've been in any of the buildings here on King's Court, this is a similar layout to a lot of them. This actually has a wood wall. So a lot of apartments actually have that opened up to extend the space of this living room, but instead this one's built as a bedroom. So same thing, wood floors, lots of closet space. This apartment has a lot of great closet space. The first of many closets we're gonna see. So having storage space is not a problem with this unit. There's the AC unit for this room, and then we are looking out to the front of the building on King's Court. So if you were to open the windows, you'd have 2 sides of the building for cross ventilation. So there is a door here that goes into the hallway, and right here on our left is to the first of the bathrooms. Functional, it has a tub, as you can see, a bathtub. As we go further down the hall, here's a linen closet. So a good amount of space here. And on this side, this is the surprise, this is actually a much bigger closet. Everyone's been very pleased at the size of this closet. It's big. And here is your instant gas, or instant hot water heater. It's not gas, it's electric, but it's your instant gas, or sorry, instant hot water heater powered by electricity. And here we are in the master bedroom. It was actually a very big size. Let me step all the way back here in the corner. There's a door we just came in. Got a closet over there. Whole bank of windows facing south. It's got the blackout curtains. Looking back to the other side. Same tile floor, concrete walls. And the closets here in the master are actually all have cedar lining, which is very nice. Good to have it here in the tropics. It's also nice, well, it's nice to have it anywhere, but especially here in the tropics. One note on in this room before I go any further, because of the space, I noticed something here on this section of the wall right here. Let me show you. This is concrete. Move over a little bit. It's wood. So if need be, this room could be turned into 2 bedrooms. So you'd have that one door we see that we came in, which would handle this side, which would be one bedroom. This section here, which is the wood, is the linen closet on the other side. That could be turned into a door, and this could be made into another bedroom. So if you wanted to downsize these bedrooms and make 2 instead of 1, you can do that. If you want to leave it the way it is, this is certainly big enough for a king-size bed as well as an office area over there, or a sitting area. So it's a huge bedroom. Also over here, 2 more closets, same thing, cedar wood siding. You can even see the shoe racks down below. And then from here, this leads us into the master bathroom. You can see the sink, lights. That window goes out into the foyer that leads to the front of the building. And in this bathroom, what's been done is they took out the tub and they actually made a shower. So the floor has been retiled, shower's been installed. So there we go. So it's a great size apartment. Again, here's the living room, or excuse me, here's the master bedroom. There is a mini split that does work. All the air conditionings in the apartment work. There's the other bathroom leading out into the living room. The air conditioner here in the living room is brand new. All the others have been serviced, no problem. In the kitchen, the dishwasher is new. All appliances work, and all appliances are included in the sale. So if you'd like more information on this unit, it's unit number 801, 76 Kings Court in the desirable Condado section of San Juan. Contact us at www.paraisorealtypr.com, and thanks for taking the tour with us.